Uh, Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video, and we are doing movie recommendations this time. So many of you have replied to my last video, and one of my friend has suggested me to talk about independent filmmakers who are making movies which are less talked about, and also one of my follower has asked me to stick to my style, that whatever I'm comfortable with I should make videos, and you people are there to support me, I guess. So thank you for your suggestions and replies, I appreciate them. And today I'm doing this recommendation videos, but in a bit different way, because I'm going to recommend you 6 movies, and the 7th movie recommendation I wanted from you people. So for today's video, I have chosen a topic on which I'm going to recommend you movies, and I have chosen menstruation as the topic because I think that periods is something that people shy away from talking about, and especially men. I mean, boys, they are very uncomfortable, getting into discussions about this and talking about this certain topic. So I thought of encouraging, involving everybody today in this video, and so that you people go and watch movies, read books on this thing, because it's a big taboo in India and I think all over the world about menstruation. So let's begin with the movie recommendations. And so there's a change of light, and there's a change of hairstyle, there's a change of and no, nothing else. So there's the certain changes because I started in the daytime with the daylight, and now it's evening, so I have to change my settings, so please bear with me. So let's get started, and to begin with the recommendations, I would like to start with Period, The End of Sentence, which is a 2019 short documentary movie directed by Rayka Zahetabchi. It has won an Oscar for it, and also I would like to mention that this movie emphasizes on periods, how it has become a taboo in India, and how women are suffering from menstrual hygiene and suffering because of certain rules and things that they have to maintain because of this biological, natural, normal process that they go through every month, and how certain things are regressive and certain things are progressive as well. So the second movie that I would like to suggest you is The Menstrual Man. It showcases Mr. Arunachalam Muruganantham and how he is doing what he is doing, the progressive journey of this man. And yes, that's about it. And please go and watch this movie. It's a 2013 short movie, and if you watch this movie, you'll actually know that the majority of women in this world is poverty stricken, and they cannot afford the expensive sanitary napkins that are available in the market. Therefore, Mr. Muruganantham has done an incredible work for all the women who are in that strata who cannot afford pads. So big thumbs up to that. So the third movie in my list is Fullu. It's a 2017 movie directed by Abhishek Saxena, and so this movie tells a story of a man who gets exposed to this sanitary napkin thing, who lives in a rural area, and then he decides to give his mother, sisters and wife this sanitary napkin instead of jewelry, and how the value of it comes in front of his eyes, like what is more valued in the world and which should be more valued in the world, and he understands that. And this is inspired by Mr. Muruganantham's life, and but we see a very different storyline altogether, which is very similar to what he has done, but it is a very significant movie. And we see that how his wife dies in the end due to the infection, the vaginal infection, and this triggers the actual point that so many women, so many teenagers are suffering from menstrual hygiene problems, and so many women are dying because of it, and that like the hygiene is not there, and we are losing women, we are losing humans for that reason. And this should be talked about, like the price of sanitary napkins should be decreased, should come to some price that is affordable for everybody, for every woman in this world. So yes, that's the movie all about. The fourth movie that I would like to recommend is Padman. It's a 2018 movie by Mr. R. Balki. Most of you know it, most of you have watched it, but to recommend a significant movie, I think that Padman is one of them, and again it is influenced by the same man, and the storylines are more or less same, and it emphasizes on a similar thing. It is very much important to not just watch these movies, but to understand the value and work accordingly. Like, people need to speak up about this. People need to understand the problems that other women are going through, the rural women are going through. We need to understand that. We need to, we need to contribute to all the initiatives that are being taken by so many people for low budget pads, biodegradable pads, and we need to do our contributions to this thing. The fifth movie is a Royal Stag short film. It's called Her First Time, directed by Divya Unni, and it showcases a very interesting thing, because especially when girls get their periods, they always want their mother's guidance. In this short film, we see that this girl, her mother is a gynecologist, is a doctor, and she couldn't be at her very sensitive time when she got her first period, and the guidance that she gets is totally from her father. So here the role of a man, the role of a father, son, the role of a father, a brother, or a partner is very, very important, and has been showcased very nicely in this short film, that how a man also can support their sisters or daughters during this sensitive time. And I think that this taboo has to be broken, because fathers, brothers, husbands, father-in-laws, every man in a girl's life should be very much comfortable and supportive. The sixth movie is a short film directed by Mopia Mukherjee in the year 2019, and it's a movie called The Day I Became a Woman. And here I'm addressing this movie because it has been directed by an independent filmmaker. I hope my friend is happy, because I am addressing something that is very less addressed, that this woman has directed this movie in 2019, which she talks about her own experiences, what she experienced as a teenager when she had her periods, and how things were, she experienced the different stories of other women, how what they felt during their periods and what were their experiences. So this is also a very important movie which is selected for the KIFF. So these are the 6 movies that I would like to recommend you. Please go and watch these films. I mean you will get this in any of the platforms on social media, and I think that let's talk about periods, let's talk about period leaves, because it's very important that we speak up, we make our voices count, because period leave is another thing, very important thing that many people overlook, most of the people overlook, even many women overlook in their working organizations, in any fields, in any working field. Women are seen very shallowly, because they feel that women are born to bear pain and women are there just to compromise with every situation. But I don't think so, because it's high time that we as women stand up for ourselves and stand up for viable things, like stand up for what is right, because that's important. So girls, take care of yourselves, boys, take care of yourselves, and be thoughtful, think about this, and contribute as much as you can to all the initiatives, and if you can, please initiate. So that's all from me this time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like my video, and subscribe to the channel and share my video. Absolutely share this time. And that's it. Take care. Love you. Share love, happiness, and bye.